Energy efficiency has become a top priority for Redmond homeowners, especially with rising utility costs and the region's cool, damp winters. While many people focus on upgrading insulation or replacing windows, one often overlooked area with a major impact on efficiency is the exterior door. Older or poorly installed doors can allow drafts, moisture, and heat loss, making it harder for your home to stay comfortable. Fortunately, modern replacement doors are engineered to seal your home more tightly, reduce energy waste, and improve comfort year-round. If you're wondering how a new door can affect your home's performance, here's how replacement doors significantly improve energy efficiency in Redmond residences. Tighter seals that prevent drafts and heat loss. Redmond's climate brings plenty of cool temperatures, brisk winds, and rainy days. Unfortunately, older doors, especially wood doors that have warped over time, often develop gaps around the frame where cold air can enter. New replacement doors are designed with precision-fitted frames, high-performance weatherstripping, advanced sealing systems, adjustable thresholds. These features block drafts and prevent warm indoor air from escaping. With a tighter seal, your heating system doesn't have to work overtime, especially during chilly Pacific Northwest winters. Better insulation for year-round comfort. Traditional doors, particularly older hollow core models, offer little protection from outdoor temperatures. Modern replacement doors use energy-efficient materials that provide superior insulation. Popular materials include fiberglass, known for its durability and excellent thermal performance, insulated steel, with foam cores that minimize heat transfer, vinyl and composite frames, which resist expansion and contraction. This insulation keeps Redmond homes warmer in winter and cooler in summer, reducing fluctuations in indoor temperature and helping maintain a consistently comfortable environment. Energy-efficient glass options for patio and entry doors. Many Redmond homes feature patio doors or entry doors with decorative glass. While beautiful, older glass panels often lack energy-efficient features and can let heat escape. Modern replacement doors can include low emissivity coatings to reflect heat, double or triple pane glass for improved insulation, argon-filled glass chambers that reduce thermal transfer, UV protection that blocks harmful rays and reduces fading. Whether you're upgrading a sliding patio door or a full glass entry door, today's energy-efficient options help lower energy usage without sacrificing natural light. Reduced moisture and air infiltration. Redmond's damp climate makes moisture infiltration a serious concern. Older doors with worn seals can let humidity and rainwater seep inside, leading to higher indoor humidity levels and even potential mold growth. Replacement doors minimize moisture intrusion through tight seals, moisture-resistant materials, proper installation that prevents gaps. Modern weatherproofing techniques. Keeping moisture out not only protects your home's structure but also improves indoor air quality and reduces the load on your heating system. Improved HVAC efficiency and lower utility bills. When your doors seal correctly and insulate well, your HVAC system doesn't need to work as hard. This translates to fewer heating cycles, reduced wear on HVAC components, more efficient energy use, lower monthly utility bills. The return on investment becomes apparent quickly, especially during colder seasons when heating demand is highest in Redmond. Increased home value and long-term savings. Energy efficiency is a major selling point for today's homebuyers. Replacement doors not only enhance comfort but also increase property value with modern styling, better security, longer-lasting materials, lower energy consumption. Homeowners enjoy immediate comfort upgrades and long-term savings, while boosting appeal for future resale. Final thoughts for Redmond homeowners looking to improve energy efficiency. Replacement doors are a smart and impactful upgrade. With better insulation, tighter seals, moisture resistance, and advanced glass technology, today's doors are designed to keep your home comfortable and energy efficient through every season.